pájaros arriba que ha aparecido otra, ahí arriba está, 4 cuento ahí, 3 y una que sale de arriba, 4 de estas 3 forman un triángulo. Fijaros. Bueno, vamos al 12% y lo que he hecho es modificar el contraste, el gamma, la separación y el objeto. Fijaros que el objeto negro, ¿lo veis? En la parte superior derecha, aquí, un objeto negro que aparece y desaparece. Y ahora parece como que rodean la estela, pero manteniendo la formación en triángulo, ¿veis?
Whether it's fully 3D, I'm not sure. I'm sort of going through a lot of this quickly, but there were a lot of details, I think, including little aspects of the UFO's movements, some of the lighting conditions, etc., which I thought showed, at the very least, a lot of care by the person who was making the video. But also, many VFX artists also came forward and said, yeah, this is probably something that could have been done even in 2014. But there's sort of an effect on a community when one person says that, oh, this matches the science so well, or this matches every single aspect of the military technology so well, that people will latch onto that and ignore any other inconsistencies. Anyway, I believe it was yesterday evening